Uminti rang ba kajala ukon rat kesang ma ulai itu ba kasorka jala kan sa pencitom ya gitu gibriu gibakani ya kakali pulet bat uyang ding pat ya ka hajaya pedeng bat kumju ru ya kajengkeni ya kisuloi jong kipulen ukon rat sama ulong ba kum kini kijat kam umla ban pedang bat ula bat haru ya gitu gibriu gibakani ya kisuloi jong kipulet bakin pen paino ya kisuloi ukon rat sama ula kenturu ya kipat ba kajala bakin wan rabiang ya ka songsuk songsan ha kajala.
That particular incident that took place is completely unacceptable by the government. And the officials and the police who were involved in where they deserted at that moment their weapon already are under suspension, and we are putting up an inquiry against those individuals. For the police, the arms and the weapons they carry are as good as part of their body. They should never ever let go of their weapon. So what happened yesterday was unacceptable, whether it's from the police personnel who were present out there, or whether it was from the individuals who had taken them. So therefore, we are very firm on this, and we will take firm action on this. And all those people who are involved and who may have this are asked to immediately give back those weapons. I don't have the exact number with me right now, or I will tell you what the number is, but I will stand corrected in case the number is not what I have. But there were 4 of them. Out of the 4, 1 went away with his weapon and 3 did not. So out of these 3 and 1, exactly the number that are there, 3 for sure, but the 4th one may not be because he went away with his weapon. But still, an inquiry will be done to ensure that everything is clarified. But there were total 4 of them. These kind of activities are meaningless. I was going to say that. We are here trying to work together to resolve all these kind of issues. And whatever has happened in the past, we see that different kind of elements have tried to create unrest. So my appeal to all the citizens of the state, and especially people who are involved in getting involved in these kind of activities, that this is not the way forward. I appeal to everybody that they must be peaceful. We must try to resolve these issues in a proper manner, and violence is not the way forward. So therefore, we condemn it, and obviously we will be finding the people who are responsible for this also. But at the same time, I appeal to everybody that at this point in time, we need to maintain peace in the city and the state.